SuperHandy wood chipper shredder mulcher. Ultra heavy duty 7 horsepower. Real yard results. Your yard looks like a storm hit it. Branches everywhere, a pile that grows faster than you can manage it. I once stared at 3 medium pine trees and genuinely had no plan. Type me in the comments if that scene hits too close to home. Then I finally fired up the SuperHandy 7 horsepower wood chipper and everything changed. That suffocating feeling of yard chaos building every weekend, knowing you need a real machine, not another flimsy electric toy that dies on a 2-inch branch. You keep pushing through it manually, burning hours and burning your back. There has to be one machine that actually eats through the mess without drama. And honestly, there is. Then I put on the SuperHandy 7 horsepower chipper shredder and it started on the first pull. Don't just pick any machine. Make sure it has a genuine 7 horsepower OHV engine with a slanted jam-reducing housing so you never feel that gut punch moment of a clog stopping your cleanup ever again. The 7 horsepower engine delivers real torque that handles 3-inch branches through the side chute while the top hopper processes debris at a 15-to-1 reduction ratio. What that means for you is one massive pile of branches becomes a bag of useful mulch in minutes. One user ran through 3 pine trees, including cones, in under an hour. The slanted housing design actively prevents jams instead of just hoping material feeds cleanly. A landscaper friend nearly bailed on a deadline until this machine processed 2 hours of brush in 40 minutes flat. Drop a 1 in the comments if you want the bonus fire break trick. Here is where the proof stacks fast. The SuperHandy 7 horsepower carries a strong reputation built on real backyard hours, not showroom demos. One reviewer logged over 52 hours of continuous use before reporting a minor weld issue, and SuperHandy replaced the part for free, no argument needed. A professional review from Lawn Helpful called it a compact powerhouse, noting the 15-to-1 reduction ratio turns large limbs into manageable mulch quickly, while the adjustable discharge chute gives precise control over where that mulch lands. An outdoor equipment analyst highlighted the EPA and CARB certification as proof this engine meets serious standards rather than cutting corners. A 70-year-old verified customer with 0 gas engine experience assembled the machine and started it on the first try. That matters. Every reviewer confirms assembly takes under 25 minutes and starting is consistently first pull reliable. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for raw power, 2 for jam resistance, or 3 for fast cleanup. The answers in the thread might surprise you. Come see why so many homeowners and landscapers quietly switched to the SuperHandy 7 horsepower heavy-duty wood chipper and never looked back at their old weekend struggle. One machine chips, shreds, and mulches mixed yard waste without needing a separate tool for every job. Results may vary based on material type and feeding technique. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. Click through, take a real look, and let the machine do the talking.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.